This is the Xtra Pro camera. I just want to quickly make a video explaining how happy I am with the indoor shooting quality of this. I was looking for a quick, just grab it, point and shoot indoors, not having to set up a bunch of lights or maybe in my garage. I am a content creator, so I create a lot of stuff all over the house for all kinds of different DIY stuff, right? For Family DIY TV, YouTube channel. So I needed something I could just grab, do some videos, maybe 2 or 3, maybe 10, 20, quickly grab all that footage, put it onto a Microsoft laptop via a cable, really simple, drag it onto there, which you can in a file explorer, and then batch upload it anywhere I want. And I needed it to be able to work indoors very well. I do use other companies' cameras, and the indoor quality of these things is just, it's just not good. This one is very, very nice. It works very well. I welcome it. I'm very happy with it. So I had to make a video just explaining just how good the indoor quality of this thing is. There's also a nighttime view, which I didn't even use yet. I don't think I'll ever use that. I thought that maybe that's what I needed for inside, but no, just a normal camera shot on 4K. At nighttime, with just inside lights on, was plenty of light, which is crazy to me because I've always had to set up all these lights and stuff. So very happy with this camera, especially with the price point of it. And it feels really good. It's got a giant camera on the front, so you can see what you're taping, and you also, the person that's on the back can also see very well as well. I actually have it on the tightest setting. You can even go even wider, than this. This is the tightest setting. You can go even super wide. So there's 2 more wider settings than where it's at right now. So if you're thinking about picking this up, I would say I would try it out. I'm very happy with it. Good job, guys.